Everything you see is controlled by something you can't. Until now. Watch the invisible become visible. See how sensors become decisions, and decisions become fuel injection, ignition timing, and a running engine.
This isn't a seminar. This is real engineering. Interface automotive sensors, write embedded C, build ECU logic, control a real injector and ignition system.
Discover how an ECU calculates fuel, controls spark timing, applies compensation, and makes hundreds of decisions every second. Whether you're a student, researcher, faculty member, or working professional, if you're passionate about automotive technology, this workshop is for you.
Join us at SRM University Automobile Engineering.
Learn, build, experience how an engine ECU thinks.